So you have a Google Sheet and you want to download it as a CSV file. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that in your sheet, how to use a free tool that I've created to make a URL that'll do that for you. And also, I'm going to answer the question of why. Why do we want to download as a CSV and why do we use this URL? That's the special thing about this video. So if you want to download as a CSV, obviously with you're in a Google Sheet, you can go up to File, Download, and select comma separated values. Click that CSV link, and immediately downloaded to your computer will be an CSV file. But what if I don't want to send someone the file, but I want to send them, they're already a viewer of this sheet and they just want to download that? Do I have to tell them, go to File, go to Download, go to CSV file? No, I can actually send them a URL. So there's a special tool at bettersheets.co/CSV. It's totally free. Just paste your URL in and you're going to get a URL. And what it's going to do is at the far right where it says like edit and has extra stuff, it's going to add export $format equals CSV. So this is what you have to remember to add to your URL. And now if I go to that URL, immediately it's going to download as a CSV file. I don't actually have to load up the spreadsheet itself. This is really cool for two reasons. One, the tool at bettersheets.co/CSV here is totally free, and you can just put it in there and it'll add it without having to memorize this URL extra stuff. But second, it's really cool because this means you don't have to attach to an email the CSV file. You can say, hey, click this link and it will automatically download as a CSV file. But there's one more reason why we want to download as a CSV and use this particular special URL. If you're giving away a sheet, like maybe you're an online business, you're trying to market what you're doing, and you're giving away a sheet of data, this is very often with like maybe leads or generally community information. You've created maybe a Google Sheet where you have community editable information, but you want to make that available for people to just download as a CSV file. Instead of having them go to the sheet and download it themselves, just give them this URL, and now anyone, anywhere can download that CSV file, and it can have your information, right? The community you've created or the business that you're trying to market in. You can include in the CSV file, in this data, little bits of information about your business. And you can use this as a lead magnet, as a freebie, not just, hey, here's a URL, go look at the data, but here's the data as a downloadable CSV file. I think it's really cool, and there's tons of other uses. If you can think of a use and you want to use a download as a CSV file URL, down below, comment it. Let me know what you're thinking, how you want to use this really cool thing, and I hope you use bettersheets.co/CSV to create this URL so you don't have to memorize the exact thing you have to add to your Google Sheet URL. Enjoy. Now, if you're wondering how to get the URL, you can go to the URL at the very top in your URL bar in your Chrome or Firefox, wherever you are at. But you can also go up to the top right corner and share. Now, it's shared only with me right now. I do have to make this viewable to other people in order for them to use it. But now I can just click that copy link here. And now I have the URL of the spreadsheet that I want to share. I can paste it in here at bettersheets.co/CSV, and I can get that URL right away with that export format equals CSV. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.